Here is our fourth and final topic for Unit 8, the volume of cylinders. This is our medium video. For your notes will be in the lower right-hand corner. Just like before, we have the spot for you to put the formula for that. And then I've got a couple worked examples for you. If you run out of space, there is space on the back. Just make sure you label it so that you can go back and refer to it at a later time. So just a reminder that a cylinder has two circular faces. And then we have this part in the middle that is like our soup can. And this is what you will see on your formula sheet for the MCAs. They give you the very basic volume equals area of the base times height. Well, our base in this case is a circle. And to find the area of a circle, we know that that is pi times the radius squared. So circle area equals pi times the radius squared. Then we would multiply that by the height. So our volume in this case with cylinders would be pi times the radius squared times the height. That brings us to our first example. In the medium level questions, you will be given the radius and the height, and then you'll be asked to find the volume. So in this question, our radius is 4 feet. Our height is 20 feet. We're going to use our formula, V equals pi times the radius squared times the height. We'll just start plugging our numbers in. We've got pi 4 squared times 20. Now, we are going to actually round this answer, so we want the pi button to give us the decimal answer. So make sure that we're in classic mode. If you don't remember how to do that, head over to the area and circumference videos from Unit 7. There's a short tutorial on how to do that in there. Or you ask Mr. Cooksey and he'll explain it so that it jogs your memory. Now, if I take 4 squared, that's 16. And 20, and I multiply those together, that is 320, and then times pi. Type that in my calculator, and I get an answer of 1005.309. And then there's a bunch of other digits after that. We're rounding to the 10th place, so I'm going to look at the 100th spot, which is a 0. So I can just round it down to 1,005 and 3/10. And then I need my units, which are feet, and volume is 3-dimensional, so feet cubed. On to our second example. We have a cylinder with a base radius of 7 inches. So 7 inches. Our height is 20 inches. So starting with V equals pi radius squared times height, we'll have pi 7 squared times 20. I know 7 squared is 49, and 49 times 20 is 980 times pi, which gives me a decimal answer of 3,078. And 76 hundredths with some numbers after that. Since we're rounding to the nearest tenths, we'll look at the hundredths. The 6 tells us to round up, so it becomes 3,078.8, and then inches cubed. And with that, you are ready to go back to Delta Math and work on the medium level questions for volume of cylinders.